What's up, guys? It's your girl NeesyRaychelle, and I am back with another video. So this is going to be my vacation maintenance video. So I want to come on like fresh face, like before I get anything done, so y'all can see where we're starting. And then, you know, as I do things, I will bring you all along with me, and show you the results and whatnot. So first on our list is a wax appointment, because gotta get it together. And yeah, so I will be taking you all along with me to my wax appointment. My cousin is waxing me today. So she works at one of these chain wax places. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, guys, so like I said, I do have my wax appointment. Here is where my cousin is going to wax me. And yeah, I'm about to walk in because my appointment's in 3 minutes, so like I'm on time. So let's do this, guys. Where's my mask? We gotta get masked up first. Hold on. Let me sit y'all here for a second. I still don't think these masks are so safe, but it is what it is. I need to put y'all back on the tripod. She struggled too. She driving the same truck as me trying to get in this part, and she had to whip this the same. Okay.
It's trap season, bro. Who that, trap?
Alright, guys, so that was part 1 of our maintenance. So we are fresh and clean with the wax. Next thing we have on the list is my hair, and that will be tomorrow. So this will be like a few days of maintenance. It won't be a one-day thing, so y'all just stay tuned for the hair. And I am doing my own hair, so y'all bear with me.
Chopping bitches down like it was silver hands. I don't wanna pay my man. Private island living, chillin' with 2 and 10. Fucking billionaire, ballers, rap shit got me grand. Motorsport, do the dance, try to
Yeah, I just want to know why I do this to myself. Like, this is what I have done. Hold on, let me get out both my lights up. Okay, hold on. Yeah, so this is what I have done so far, and that's about to right here. I still have all of this. So yeah, I'm gonna try to finish this tonight, and I will come back. There are a couple that I want to like go over with some more hair. Like this one, like I untwisted it too much, so it don't, I don't know, it don't look right. And so is this one. It's a little too unraveled. So I ordered some more like soft twist hair to wrap again, basically. So y'all, let's keep going. But I haven't even finished the first pack of hair, y'all. Like I still, hold on, let me show y'all. So this is what's left in the first pack. There's, what's that, 3 more left in the first pack, and I still have 5 packs left. So yeah, I have more than enough hair, which is good because I might be able to like refresh like around my perimeter. So let's continue. Good morning, guys. So first things first, my hair is finished. So this is what it looks like. It's giving real like boho vibes and whatnot. Right now I'm doing my nails, so I just filled them in. That's why my hand is so ashy. And then I'm going to go ahead and design them, put my top coat on, and then we can finish this vacation maintenance vlog. Because, well, child, this took a little longer than I expected. So I'll be back.
Chanel bags gotta make me know it. You need a hot girl, boy, you gon' have to show it. You wanna taste baby, boy, you gon' have to throw it. Deposit all accounts, baby, keep the cash flowing. Bust down wrist for the bust down, keep 'em going. Tennessee on my lips, take a sip. I like my lay, don't come here with no chips. How much is you paying? I don't speak boy language. You can leave with the crew that you came with. Me and my bitches ain't playing. Ice me out like Elsa. Fly me out, private jet, no Delta. You can send your bitch back to the shelter. You ain't got no money, bitch, I can't help you. I want Chanel 9 boots. All these steady jumping cause they know I'm the truth. And I hit it from my Mickey Ball main bus down. These hoes can't stand me. Currently working on a Grammy, meanwhile pussy poppin' with your man in Miami. Chanel's and pearls, that's the trick that it take to keep the girls.
It's trap season, bro. Who that, trap?
I want Chanel 9 boots. All these steady jumping cause they know I'm the truth. And I hit it from my Mickey Ball main bus down. These hoes can't stand me. Currently working on a Grammy, meanwhile pussy poppin' with your man in Miami. Chanel's and pearls, that's the trick that it take to keep the girls. Stopping bitches down like it was six hands. I don't want no petty money, throwing no bands. Private island living, chillin' with 2 cents in. Fucking billionaire ballers, rap shit got me grand. Motorsport through the dead, try to top in the lamb. Chanel bags gotta make me know it. You need a hot girl, boy, you gon' have to show it. You wanna taste baby, boy, you gon' have to throw it. Deposit all accounts, baby, keep the cash flowing. Bust down wrist for the bust down, keep 'em going. Tennessee on my lips, take a sip. I like my lay, don't come here with no chips. How much is you paying? I don't speak boy language. You can leave with the crew that you came with. Me and my bitches ain't playing. Ice me out like Elsa. Fly me out, private jet, no Delta. You can send your bitch back to the shelter. You ain't got no money, bitch, I can't help you. I want Chanel 9 boots. All these steady jumping cause they know I'm the truth. And I hit it from my Mickey Ball main bus down.